When wildfires ravaged Southern California in early 2025, the world was shocked to discover an unlikely survivor, a 1977 Volkswagen bus that had escaped the inferno seemingly untouched. After learning that Azul had, in fact, sustained fire damage, Volkswagen stepped forward with an offer to restore the vintage bus with the goal of giving back to the owner and bringing hope to a community that had suffered overwhelming loss. This is a story of resilience, hope, human connection, and the curious magic of a VW bus that inspired the world. We spoke with Azul's previous owner about the story behind the story of how the bus ended up in the spot where it miraculously survived the fire.
Very well.
Oh yeah?
So I found a guy on Facebook Marketplace who built the inside of Winnebago's, and he did the inside work for me.
Oh wow!
So
and then
he made a CAD file of the whole thing and showed it to me. He's like, "Yeah, I'll do $4,000." I was like, "That's a lot easier than me doing it myself."
totally custom built though, right?
Totally custom built. And I lived in this. So my senior year of college at UC Santa Barbara, I lived in this thing. So.
You lived in it for how long?
About a year and a half.
Wow, and you took showers wherever you can find a shower?
I surfed every day, and I went to Planet Fitness. I was a college town, so my friends had a house within a block, so I had to go to the bathroom, get on your skateboard.
Oh, wonderful.
I could have paid $1,200 a month in rent to a landlord and lived with 25 other people and share a bathroom.
Of course, yeah,
terrible.
Fun.
So my logical thought was, well, what if I just go spend $25,000 on a van, and I live in the van, and then after I graduate, the van's still probably worth $25,000.
Oh yeah,
save my money, and then gave it to her and the rest of my rollover in my college fund. This is my little sister.
Oh, that's your sister. Oh,
she got the rest of my money that didn't go to paying rent, and I got
so
this van.
You actually were owned it when it.
So I sold it to a girl named Megan.
Okay.
She left. She was one in all the videos. She bought it like 3 months before the fires hit, and I was teaching her how to drive manual the day we left it, 2 days before the fires. And so we left it sitting on this bluff.
Just why? Just because
we just went surfing and we parked it there, and then the fires hit. This was a Sunday. The fires hit on Tuesday. Yeah, she lived down the street, but she lived on a big hill, and this is a manual, and you know manuals on hills.
Yeah,
so we parked
yeah.
in the flat spot up the hill.
Oh, and so it was parked there.
It was parked there. The fires hit,
and you couldn't get back in to
we
get
thought
it.
It was gone.
Oh my God!
And then we saw the photo that's right there.
Of course, yeah.
That changed everything.
Now it did get heavily damaged.
One side did, and they went through and they repaired this whole thing, and they did great. It's gonna stay in Laguna. I will be lucky enough that I'll get to keep driving it. Megan's a dear friend. The girl I sold, the reason I sold it to her, I wouldn't have sold it if it didn't stay in the family.
Okay.
So it stayed close enough that we'll be driving this around.
Oh, doesn't sound like you're going to have much opportunity because it's going to be going to the Peterson and maybe
January 19th it comes back.
It comes back
into Megan's ownership.
Oh, okay.
So
it's not going to go on tour around VW dealerships.
If they wanted it to, I think we'd happily work something out.
It's definitely a feel-good story of all the tragedy. I think it's fantastic. And have you driven it since it's been restored? No. That would be a trip, wouldn't it?
Okay, here I'll show you something cool.
Okay, all right.
This clock. It did not come with this clock, but this is factory to the 1907. That was when I had it. That was not there.
That was not there.
That clock was hand built by a guy who's built over 90 Singer Porsches clocks, and it's period correct with every part and component. And then look at this, the radio.
The radio. Look at that.
Period correct radio that is Bluetooth.
Oh.
And that sticker right there, caution, close all windows after 140 miles.
Yeah.
That is 4 owners old.
That's
VW
owners survived
and they kept it on there for me.
They survived. It's 4 owners in a fire. That's all.
4 owners in a fire.
And look at that, the shifter.
Everything's new. Yep. These guys did a great job. Yeah, I
Man,
very lucky.
I don't think you could have gotten a new one any better than this.
This is the nicest. This is the nicest 1977 VW bus maybe in the world.
Heat and cooling, is that?
Everything works. Those were pieces of plastic that just sat there when I had it.
It didn't have anything.
Everything is.
Wow, well, congratulations. I think it's a beautiful vehicle. Wow. And quite a story.
It's a wonderful story.
Well, nice to meet you. I think this is going to be the hit of the LA Auto Show.
Very cool.
Hey, nice to meet you. Take care.
See you around.
Azul, the magic bus, is currently on display at the 2025 Los Angeles Auto Show.